Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how can we resolve this issue that we are not able to add a pic or a video in the comment. So I have just opened the comment, guys. If I add anything here, let's say I'm adding a video or a photo here. So I'm clicking on plus here. So I'm adding insert from photos. So I'm adding a photo here. Click on add one. So the pic will be added. It is not added. See, it is just showing that it accepts something like that. So I'm just clicking on discard. We'll see once again whether it works or not. I'm just clicking on the comment, add comment plus I'm adding the photo, but it is not added. How can we resolve this, guys? In order to resolve this, guys, we have to do a different scenario. Okay, let me discard this. I'll add it here. Test something like that. I'll click on enter. I'll add this comment. Now you can see the comment is added. Click on that. Click on edit. Now what you do? Now you add the pic which you want to upload. Click on that. Click on plus. Take a picture. Click on upload. Now it starts to upload properly. Okay. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.